I did 3 things this week that made my first week back so much easier. Number 1, I made sure that I showed up to the gym every day, Monday through Friday. So 5 days in a row, I showed up. I didn't worry about what I was gonna do in the gym. I just committed to showing up. I ended up doing about 20 to 30 minutes in the gym every single day. The first week back, I take it super easy. My main commitment is that I do a little bit more each day. I also set my calorie target closer to maintenance. I wanted to pick a number that I felt like was as many calories as I could possibly eat and still make progress. You're gonna hit a plateau no matter what. And if you're starting at a high number, when you hit that plateau, you got a lot of room to cut calories and still make progress. If you start with your calories at a low number, you may lose more weight the first 2, 3, 4 weeks, but you're still gonna hit that plateau. And when you hit that plateau, you have nowhere to go. Now, when you cut the calories again so that you continue to lose weight, you're really sacrificing. You're making it so it's so hard to hit your goal. The second thing I did this week was I tracked everything perfectly. I got out my food scale, I got out my measuring tools, and I measured everything. And this is a pain. I don't like to do this. Once I've been on my plan for 3 to 4 weeks, I'll stop measuring everything because at that point I can trust my judgment. When I'm first starting back on my plan, it feels like a win every day when I know I came in under my calorie target. And if I'm not measuring, the difference between 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and 3 tablespoons of peanut butter is a lot of calories. And there's a little bit of gray area or doubt in the back of my mind if I actually came in under my calories if I didn't measure. So my first couple weeks back, I measure everything. That helps me. It helps me mentally. It makes me feel like every day when I finish and I complete my entry on the MyFitnessPal app, I actually followed through and stuck to my diet and I earned my check mark for that day. The third thing I did that has helped me get off to a great start, I started back on my morning weigh-ins. So I weigh in every day. Last Monday, I took my progress pictures, my before pictures again. I took all my measurements. So I have that starting point and it is in stone. It's like a ritual that kicks off my program. If I don't do that, it makes it real easy to just fall off and start again next week. If you went off your diet for the holidays, if you've been struggling to get started, you plan on starting January 1st, but now it's February 1st and you still haven't started your plan, you are not alone. There are a lot of people out there that did the exact same thing. You still can achieve everything that you plan on achieving in 2023. Make a plan, pick the date you're gonna start, and when that date comes, it could be next Monday, it could be tomorrow, don't waver. Do everything in your power to get started with a bang. And let's make 2023 our best year ever. Let's get our all-time best physique of our lives this year. If you just decided that you are going to make your plan and start your program, leave a comment with what your goal is and that you are starting along with me. Hit that thumbs up button, hit subscribe. Thank you for watching. More cool stuff to come.